Yeah. So see here, the second question is, what is the second question there? So first step, what we have to do here?
8 centimeters. BC is equal to 8 centimeters.
Yes. Take BC is equal to
8 centimeters.
8 centimeters. Then construct 45 degrees. Here for construction 45 degrees, what we have to do first? Construct the 90 degrees, then do the angle bisector. Put a pointer on B, take more than half. With this construct 60, with 60, you have to construct the 90 degrees. Okay? Okay, so here BC you have to take as a 8 centimeters, and with the protract with the compass you can construct the 45 degrees. Mean first construct the 90 degrees. With this 90 degrees, take a dotted line. Okay, now we have to do the angle bisector of this 90 degrees. So take more than half. From this point, draw an arc. From this point, draw another arc. Now it is 45 degrees. So now take 3.5 with the compass, measure 3.5, or by using the ruler also directly you can cut this line BY here. 3.5 centimeters you have measured, right? Put a pointer on this and cut this line with the 3.5 centimeters, right? 3.5 centimeters you have cut this one, right? Okay, now the point is came here D, right? Somewhere here it will come. See here, take a ruler, okay? Sorry, take a ruler, measure from here 3.5 centimeters. Cut this line somewhere, where it will be, somewhere it will be here 3.5 centimeters. Right? Okay. Now join this C and D. First step what we have done? We have taken BC as a 8 centimeters. From point B we have constructed angle 45 degrees. Okay. For that 45, first we have done 90, then angle bisector 45. On line BY we have taken 3.5 centimeters and we have cut that line. Okay. So now this is the point D. D to C, join this. Right? Now take the compass, construct the perpendicular bisector of this CD. Perpendicular bisector of line CD. Okay? Perpendicular bisector means what? How can we do? Salute. Perpendicular bisector of a line. C as the center. Take more than half. Okay? Draw an arc upside and draw an arc downside. Okay, here. Then next D as the center, cut this arc up and down. Right? Now join these 2 points. Join, right? Join this line to this line here. Here, this perpendicular line is intersecting to BY, right? Okay. Now that point is A. Clear? Now join this A and C. It's a required triangle ABC. Now what you have to do? Measure this AB. Where is A here? A to B. Measure how many degrees, how many centimeters you are getting here? 12.5. 13. Okay, no problem. Write down here. Then AC. Measure AC.
9. 10.
AC is 9. You can write here. Okay. Now subtract this one. How much you are getting? 3.5. You got 3.5, right? So here, first thing is that what is the question here? Construct triangle PQR in which QR is equal to 6 centimeters and angle Q is 60 degrees Then
PR minus PQ.
PR minus PQ. PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeters. Okay. So for that, first thing what we have to do?
QR we have 6 centimeters.
Yes, QR 6 centimeters. Take QR as a 6 centimeters.
And then 60 degrees.
Okay. Then construct 60 degrees. How are you going to construct the 60 degrees here? Mean first take more than half.
90.
Yes. No need of 90 degrees here. Only 60 degrees, right? Yes. With the same point is no need of 90 degrees here. Construct the 60 degrees. Right? Here if I say right here y. Now next is what we have to do. First extend this one downwards. Extend here until y dash. Then take a ruler. Take 2 centimeter. From here you can measure 2 centimeter and cut this one. This is S. Connect or join S and R. After this, construct the perpendicular bisector of RS. First step, what we have done? Taken QR as a 6 centimeters. Based on that Q, we have constructed the 60 degrees angle. Then extend this QY to QY dash. Then take 2 centimeter Q to S. From S R, you have to construct a perpendicular bisector. More than half. From this, okay, somewhere it will be intersecting here. Okay?
We have to join.
Yes, join this. Once again.
Completed.
Until here you have done right. Construct a perpendicular bisector of SR. Mean take more than half, draw an arc upside and downside. With the same radius from R, you can construct a perpendicular, cut this arc up and down. So here don't get confused, here 2-3 arcs you will get, intersection points you will get here, right? For this 60 degrees also you will be getting here only. For this perpendicular bisector also you will be getting somewhere near to that one. Okay, join these two, right? Now join this PR. Right?
PQ.
PR. Now we got the required triangle PQR. Now PR is equal and PQ is equal. Just measure this one and tell PR is how much? 5.5 minus 3.5 also 2. You can write the steps there. Yeah. Clear? Wait. Clear here?
PR.
Okay. Like this we have to construct this.